I do not use men's razors on my cat.
Controversial takes on your kitty.
What's your most controversial take about your cat?
About my cat, it never sees a men's razor.
You heard it here. Don't use men's razors to shave your cooch.
What's your controversial take on kitty care?
I won't pay for hair removal cream that costs less than $10 to $20.
Why is that?
Because if it's that cheap, then it is cheap. It's made cheap, and you shouldn't put that on your body.
I see what you're saying.
Do you have another controversial take?
Speaking of razors, I have one designated razor for my bikini line, and one is designated to my legs.
Interesting. I've never thought about doing that before.
Okay, give us something good. What other controversial take do you have on kitty care?
I also will let my hair grow out for like a week, and then I'll shave, just because the longer it gets, the more your ingrowns can grow out, and then you shave it, and you're like smooth as ever.
Oh, so you let your hair grow out and then you shave
And
it?
then I shave.
You don't shave every day?
No, you. That's why you have ingrown hair. Stop doing that.
Oh, okay.